What if I told you that the biggest misconception about artificial intelligence is right there in its name? Most people think AI is intelligent. It isn't, at least not in the way humans are. And understanding that one difference changes how we should use AI, trust AI, and design AI. Over the last few years, AI has gone from a research lab to almost everyone's pocket. Students use it to study, developers use it to write code, doctors are beginning to use it in healthcare, businesses use it every day. And yet, despite using AI more than ever before, many people still don't understand what it actually is. We hear words like thinking, reasoning, or understanding. Those words make AI sound almost human, but they're surprisingly misleading. Let's imagine something simple. Suppose I show you 1 million pictures of cats and dogs. Eventually, you'd begin noticing patterns. Cats usually have pointier ears. Dogs have different facial structures. You wouldn't memorize every image. You'd learn the patterns. Modern AI works in a surprisingly similar way, except instead of learning from 1 million pictures, today's AI models learn from enormous amounts of text, images, audio, and video. They don't memorize the world, they learn statistical relationships. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it isn't searching for the answer. It's predicting what sequence of words is most likely to come next. That prediction can often sound remarkably intelligent, but prediction isn't the same thing as understanding. This distinction isn't just technical, it affects how we interact with AI every day. When people believe AI truly understands the world, they're more likely to trust it without questioning its answers. That's risky. AI can produce convincing explanations that are completely wrong, not because it's trying to deceive you, but because its goal isn't to tell the truth. Its goal is to generate the most likely response. Sometimes those two things align, sometimes they don't. That's why AI can confidently invent references, misquote research, or provide inaccurate information while sounding completely certain. The confidence comes from the language, not from genuine understanding. Here's what fascinates me most. The real question isn't whether AI is intelligent. The real question is what happens when humans begin treating it as if it is. If we assume AI understands us, we may trust it too much. If we assume it can replace human judgment, we stop asking important questions. And if designers build systems that encourage this, the problem grows. That's why researchers in human-computer interaction spend so much time thinking about trust, transparency, and explainability. The challenge isn't just building smarter AI, it's helping people understand what AI actually can and cannot do. AI is one of the most powerful technologies we've ever created, but it isn't magic. It doesn't have consciousness, it doesn't have intentions, it doesn't have beliefs. What it has is an extraordinary ability to recognize patterns, and that ability is already transforming how we learn, work, and communicate. The better we understand what AI really is, the better decisions we'll make about when to trust it and when to think for ourselves. Because perhaps the future isn't about building machines that think like humans, it's about building humans who understand machines. If AI doesn't understand the world the way we do, how much should we trust its answers